Hey you guys, I am The Difference Is Sunshine. For those that might not know who I am a local hairstylist here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I customize and slick ponytails, okay? Polished, nice and neat looks, okay? Hey, Glueless, yeah, I said it. Glueless wig frontal install, okay? I did so good on installing this wig, y'all. I am proud of my damn self, okay? Ooh, look at this. Ooh. If you guys want to see how I installed this beautiful wig, Glueless frontal wig, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment on the bottom description below. All the information about this Vshow wig will be located in the description box. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to another tutorial of mine. Today we are doing a glueless, yeah you heard it, a glueless frontal install. Okay, now as you guys can see, I've already cut the excess lace off. Now to one that's a beginner, when you are doing the glueless method, you already want to have it face framed or cut to customize your face, because it's a little bit difficult when you don't have it already cut and you try to do the whole install method. It's not going to work that way. So the easiest, most simplest way that I could give you guys is basically applying the wig already on your scalp, on your hair, measuring it out, making sure that it's placed and cut correctly where you want to cut it. And then from there, baby, we're gonna go ahead and spray this mug on down. Stay tuned to see how I finish installing this glueless frontal install. So as you guys can see, it is very simple. I am not using the got to be glue. To each his own. If you do want it to last maybe 2 or 3 days, then you might want to use the got to be glue. With the spray, I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. It's only gonna last 48 hours, maybe 36. You know what I'm saying? It all depends on if you're a sweater. It all depends on if you get really hot and your forehead gets to moving around a lot, then this is not a good method for you. Let's keep that in mind, ladies, when you are doing these glueless installs. Another good trick would be to put a elastic band inside of the wig so that it could just already just lay flat on your head. That is another method, but that's another video. I just want to make that disclaimer to you guys. If you guys are wondering why I am using the got to be spray and not the gel. so it feels like it is all secured. So now I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail so I can put this elastic band on it just to melt that lace in my scalp so it can kind of like all the way stay. I'm going to pull out a little bit of pieces because I do want some cute little baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Now with the glueless method, I repeat once again, with the glueless method, you cannot use mousse, baby girl. Now if you want to mold your baby hairs the night before, and you know you can, but the normal way how we do it, when we add the adhesive and we dry it and we put the mousse on, you can't do all that with this. You can't. So while that glueless lace is melting on in that skin of mine, you know, blending on in with my skin complexion, I'm going to style my hair. So you know, just to make that, because you know we use got to be spray, so we didn't really use anything to actually hold it down but some holding spray. So I'm just gonna blow dry it out because this hair was a body wave. You know, body waves can sometimes get a little tangled, so I just want to kind of straighten it out just a little bit because I am going to add some curls to it. As you can see, I have a side little part over here. We're going to press that part out so it can open itself up so you can see it, and then we're just going to style this glueless frontal. Stay tuned for the finished look. So I just took the elastic band off. Okay, look at this, y'all. So the hair that I had, I'ma just go on and cut that. so I can swoop my baby hairs. Once again, you do not, I repeat, you do not want to use mousse, okay? If you got some soft edge control, I'm using wax. If you got some soft little wax, you don't want nothing too hard. You don't, want your baby hairs to be all crisp but nothing. But some a little bit of wax. Go ahead and mold those baby hairs on down. It'll keep that frontal laid down without it lifting. If you guys were to use anything wet, anything that holds some type of heavy wet residue, it will not last already on your frontal, just FYI. So I'm just gonna curl these curls on out, and here is my glueless frontal install. When I tell y'all, I got so many compliments on this color, on this install, on this hair. People was calling me like, baby, that is you or they, okay? Look how those layers just fall in that hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, please click the link in the description box. This hair is provided by Vshow hair. Hey you guys, I am loving this custom color by Vshow hair. They show out with this one, okay? All the information will be located in the description box below. You guys can get the information on how to purchase this beautiful wig, okay? And it's glueless. You better tell what glue where? Ain't no glue nowhere. So flawless, so cute. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment